In the clear skies above Canada, an unseen threat lurked, an unidentified object of potential danger to civilian air traffic. A quiet menace hovering at an altitude of 12,100 meters, it was more than a blip on the radar. The object's mysterious nature and its potential threat to the safety of unsuspecting civilians in the air below couldn't be ignored. As the tension mounted, the US and Canadian forces joined hands. Their collective might focused on neutralizing this airborne enigma. The decision was made. The threat had to be eliminated. The stage was set for an aerial showdown. With the green light from President Biden, a US fighter jet took to the skies, armed with an AIM-9X missile. It was a mission of utmost importance, a mission to neutralize an unidentified object, a potential threat to civilian air traffic. This was not an isolated incident. In fact, it was the second of its kind in as many days, hinting at a growing tension and a possible connection to a suspected Chinese spying balloon. The stakes were high, the tension palpable. But in the end, the sky's no limit for those who protect us. In a flash of fire and smoke, the unidentified object was brought down, ensuring the safety of countless lives on the ground. This incident, however, stirs memories of a tragic event from the past, the downing of Iran Air Flight 655. It was July 3, 1988. The passenger flight was mistaken for an attacking aircraft during the Iran-Iraq War, leading to the USS Vincennes firing a missile that resulted in the loss of all 290 lives on board. This catastrophic event underscores the dire consequences of misidentification. In both instances, the balance between vigilance and verification was disrupted, leading to unintended casualties. As the debris from the recent shootdown is analyzed, we are reminded of the thin line between defense and disaster.